Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or mute Threads channel notifications. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we want to go to our Instagram app, and from there we will want to mute the channel or the Threads notification. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's continue with our uh, post or our tutorial. So from here, we will want to go to notifications, and here we will have this notification category. So if we click on notification, you will find this notification category you want to change. So simply, you will have this notification that showing for the threads, and now it will take us to threads. So here, let's just go to our profile, and there we can go to notification into our threads. From here, you will find this push notification. You can pause all the notification if you would like. So you can simply pause all the notification, or you can choose from threads or custom feeds, and you will have added custom feed. You can click on off, or you can choose any type of notification that you want to mute for your threads channel. So here you will have your following and followers. You can choose whatever you would like to have muted or off, and you will just click on off until you will have uh, the desired result. Also, you will have additional option in system settings, and that would be concerning your phone as well. And you will want to push off or like put off or uncheck all these checkboxes from reminders or any type of notification, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.